Website now by popular request. Many of you fell in love with the digital download that I offer on our website for 2023. What is it? It has this cute little, you just download it. You can print it as many times as you want. It has instructions on there. There's 2 magnets. I put 2 Tiffany magnets on here to hold it up really well. That's just cardstock, you guys, just cardstock. And then you print it. It has the calendar and let it snow. Now, we're not selling in 2023. I do have the 2024. I'm just showing you a sample. But you can put a card front, an A2 size card front on here. So here we have January, February, March. Look at that. April. Isn't that fun? Now, one thing we noticed right away is it gets really big on this one side and not big on this side. So another customer request, and we did this, and we will have it on the 2024 for sure, is the download includes, and let me fold this one because I haven't folded it yet. The download includes the calendar on this side, and let me fold this one. The calendar, now don't worry, the instructions on the website will tell you where to score this and where to cut it so you know, and on this side. So you see, it's on both different sides. So you can mix and match. So watch this. So January, the next one's going to be on the other side. February, then the next one's going to be on the other side. So you can go back and forth with your cards so each side is equally thick. I know, these are fun. Now, why are we releasing these so early for 2024? Because they make the perfect gift. Imagine giving this to someone. I just used my cinch up at the top. Imagine giving this to someone as a gift 2 different ways. Number one, you could give it to them empty and maybe start them out with the January. And then every month, you could, a little bit before the month starts, you could send them a new card front to put on their calendar. So then they're getting a little piece of Happy Mail from you every single month, and they get to add it to their calendar. How fun is that, right? Another thing why I like these calendars is because the cards last longer. You get to see it for a whole month before something happens to it. So it's really fun. And again, you get both files. It's one big file, so it's every other one is opposite. So print it once, and then you'll have 2 sets, right? Now, we also released on the website our 2024 full page calendar. I've laminated mine. I have a laminator. I bought it on Amazon. You can find it on my Stephanie's Favorites on the website. But I printed this just on regular paper. You can also do it on cardstock. And I laminated it, and this goes on the side of my fridge. So I have it for 2023, and I can't wait to put 2024 up there. So just another idea for you. Digital downloads, you get to print as many times as you want. Do not share them, but you get to print them as many times as you want.